Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Discover with JC. So I want to give you guys an update on the 3.5 km Ossah road. This road was expanded from 4 lanes to 6 lanes, and the road is finished right now. It's completed. As you can see, new street lights are being installed. The old ones were taken down and replaced with brand new street lights. So this 3.5 km road was flagged off by the able governor of Abia State, the people's governor of Abia State, in the person of His Excellency Dr. Alex COT. He flagged off this road, and the road construction, went on like work was going on here every day. It was delivered to the people so fast, and you can see how nice the road is. A lot of people were doubting that this road wasn't going to be up to 6 lanes, but from this video you can see, and if you still doubt, you can still come to Umuahia and verify. It's a 6-lane road. Yes, so my people, the road is ready right now, and the people of Abia are very happy about this road. Makani ife na emezi na Abia State. Ina keep aswa. I'm this na ife da ife na eme na Abia State. Ife na emezi na keep aswa. A whole lot of development, road projects here and there, and we are so happy about it. So I want to show you guys how this road looks like today, so you guys can see, how the road is, how nice it is. Okay. Please, if the first time you're tuning into my channel, please don't go nowhere. Watch this video down to the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button. It is free of charge. Have you done that? If you have done that, thanks a lot. And also click the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified that I have dropped a new video, and you'll be among the first people to watch this video. Please kindly share the video if you can on Facebook, on your WhatsApp status, so that other people can see the developments going on in the God's own states, Abia state Chukwuhurunanya. Yes, so we are not proud of being from the states, you understand. As you are watching, don't stop. I'm going to go through the other lane so that you can also see the other section of the road, so that you can also see how it looks like. So for those of you that want to know the name of the construction company that handled this nice road project, is called Kremborg. Yes, so Kremborg, they deliver. If you go Mbise road going to Orega, Kremborg na Ebaho. So they are the ones that did a very nice job here, you understand. Now when you look at the drainage, it's not the open drainage type. This is a closed one, you understand. The open one was for the olden days. Now this one might be for modern days. Now this street light they put here, they sweet me at least for night, as I don't even get motor. Even if na bicycle, what they drive the park waka this road, I go the see road, you understand. You don't share this video, I beg. Help me share this video for Facebook, for WhatsApp, everywhere where you go fish share you understand. You don't still subscribe. If you never subscribe, I beg, click the subscribe button, click them, not free of charge. They don't charge you anything. As you don't click them, please also click the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified that I have dropped a video, and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. Because this channel, I'm going to be bringing you updates on road constructions going on in Abia State. I think by next week I'm going to be going to Arochukwu and some other places, and I'm going to give you guys updates upon updates about road constructions in Abia State. So you can see that tower over there. Yes, that is the Abia tower. So when we get there, we're going to turn and go over to the other side, the other section of the road. So the logo you are seeing there is the Kremborg logo in Afonia there. So yes, so we are turning. Yeah, so keep watching. Yes, so we don't turn, you understand. Come at the other section of the road, so that you use your eyes and see the beautiful road that they did for us here in Umuahia, the capital of Abia State in Nigeria. So this is the other section of the road. This section is also 3 lanes plus the other section that's also 3 lanes, making it 6 lanes. So the good thing about this road expansion is that during festive seasons, when they can go slow, Ossah gana aga sererem wererem, people will be moving around freely without hold ups, because when you come here before during Christmas, my brother na goes on car, they go slow now, but they can keep naming a Lagos state of Nigeria. So please, as you are still watching this video, please share this video. Tosara me, tosaya na Facebook, tosaya na WhatsApp, tosaya benile. You understand? Tosaya ka fly a church na tosa everywhere. Tosara me video ka oga viral. Watago. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and keep watching because you get what I want to show you for end. The Michael Okpara statue at Michael Okpara Square, and about to ya aka there, na about ya aka ka ọ dịkwa nwa sharp n'anya ịghọtara. So we are going to go there and show you, how the statue there, rebuilding, or is it reconstructed, anyone and they may make or again. I'm going to take you guys there so you guys can use your eyes and see how everything is going on with this road. Have you guys watched my 67 km road construction Umuahia, Ossah and the Umuahia road? I have the video here on my channel, so just scroll down and you will see the video. It's really development in on na Abia state in Umuahia na Umuahia and Ossah na about videos. I'm going to bring you guys the video of the train station Abia railway na Abia. Na train na function ebe ahụ watara. I'm na Port Harcourt from the train, no 1,500 naira particularly money watara. So I'm going to go make videos there and bring to you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you that is watching this video right now. Thank you very much for making that time. Or this current situation and data days moto corner. You put a data gene video ma and chineke with chineke meregi. Maybe so thank you for watching this video. Makana ask me this video please watch the art in this video also. Makana ask thank you guys for watching this video. You can see how beautiful and clean this road is. So you like jacket. Sorry, you fasten your seatbelt. Yes, you fasten your seatbelt, but don't drive speed. Makana wabo Watago thank you very much for taking our time once again to watch this video. How can we discover the GTV? Able to get updates in him again at this Abia state in Homa Dichi Megan Abia state. I'm not telling updates, guys. Watago. So yes, so we come again. You can see men are still at work, installing the street lights. Yes, so Keba we can name one Keba na shine, and yes, that's Okpara Square, and you can see what they are doing there. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.